So just to be clear, I'm going through a small exercise of how to unhide and hide, or hide and unhide columns. The same applies for rows. We go to the sheet. We choose all the columns we want to hide. In this case, I will leave 2 ready and the rest of all I will hide. Choose them all. Right button. Press hide. They're all hidden. Now if I want to unhide them, I just go up here to these arrows. Press this. Okay, now I want the next column. So I leave that one, choose the rest, and do the same thing. Hide them. Now I have 3 instead of 2. As I keep on using them, I will unhide and hide the ones I need. The moment I mark a date here, it will count how many sessions here. So I'm leaving the dates blank.